Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you an example on how to fill in course assessment form for course without exam. Okay, so this is the form for course without exam. In the first sheet, the first thing that we need to do is to fill in the course information. So in my case, I have filled in the course information, which includes the name of the course code, the section, the total number of students, the course instructor, the report date, and also the total number of camp, which is 100. The next part is to fill in the course learning outcome and map it with the PLO assessment component and marks distribution. So for this part, we can refer to our previous course plan that we have prepared earlier at the very beginning of this semester. So for example, this is my course plan. Okay, in the section C of the course plan, we have the course learning outcome, program outcome, and assessment method, the mapping. So we can use this information, transfer this to the KAED assessment form. So for example, okay, so for CLO number 1, you can just copy and paste. CLO number 2, copy, paste. Okay, you cannot simply paste in the box provided. Okay, if not, the error messages will appear like this. So what you need to do is to click the box and paste it in the formula box. Okay, then continue with cell number 3. And cell O number 4. Okay. Next, to fill in the PLO. So you can just write it here, like this, and this. And then next is to fill in the assessment component. So in my case, the first CLO is from the assignment. The marks allocated for this assignment is 25 marks, 25%. For CLO number 2 is also assignment, 25 marks. If you have other assessment components, you can continue fill in this column. For example, the first component might be assignment, the next might be project, might be report, might be quiz. Okay, so you can continue fill in and together with the percentage of marks allocated. Okay, just continue with CLO number 3, which is quiz, 25 marks. And also CLO number 4 through assignment, 25 marks. Okay. So this is how it is. Okay. So the next section is the attainment level of course outcome. So here you don't have to do anything. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to change the formula. Okay. So don't disturb the gray area. Okay. The gray area, the gray boxes here, and also the gray boxes here, because all of the boxes here have been inserted with formulas. So if you put anything inside there, it will disturb the formula that has been formularized. All right. The white area is where the area that you can work on. Okay. So just continue with appendix. So in the appendix, section A, we need to fill in the marks. Okay, what is the total marks? for all projects, for all the assignment that we have. In my case, my total mark is also 100. If you have 200 marks ke 150 marks, you can fill in. Okay. At the end, it will equal to 100 marks. And the number of students is 55. Alright. So let's start with section B, mapping the camp with the CLO and student achievement. So in my case, I have 3 assignments and 1 assignment is quiz. So let's fill in the first assignment first. So we have to refer back to our report on the student's achievement or the student's marks. Alright, from here, you can see assignment number 1, okay, all students pass except for 1 student. So marks they allocated for assignment number 1 is 25. And the student pass assignment number 1 is 54 students and 1 student failed. Okay, that is the first example. Then proceed with assignment number 2. Assignment number 2, also 1 student failed. Okay, 25 marks allocated. Sorry, which is to, assignment number 2 is to achieve CLO number 2. So let me freeze the pin for easy viewing. So assignment number 2 is to achieve CLO number 2. The marks allocated is 25. 54 student pass, 1 student fail. Assignment number 3, which is quiz. Okay, let's see. Sorry, assignment number 3 is not quiz. It's assignment number 3. Okay. Assignment number 3. Okay. Okay, assignment number 3 is to achieve CLO number 4. Okay, so go to CLO number 4. The marks allocated is 25 and based on the record, assignment number 3, 1 student failed. Pass 54, fail 1. Assignment number 4, which is quiz, okay, is to achieve CLO number 3, 25 marks allocated. Okay, from the record, quiz, 1 student failed, the rest pass. Okay, unfreeze. Okay, so now this is how it looks like. Okay, so now if you have filled in numbers in the column provided, okay, so as you can see, the default number that I put in order to stabilize the formula in this form is 0. Okay, 0 is the default number to stabilize the formula. So if you have other numbers that you have filled in the same column, okay, now you need to delete the default number. Okay, so in my case, I only have 4 CLOs. CLO number 5 and CLO number 6 are just the default CLO. Okay, I designed the form until CLO 6. So if CLO 5 and CLO 6 are not within your course, okay, you can just ignore CLO 5 and CLO 6 and let the 0 default number remain. Okay. Okay, so now what we can see from here for assignment number 1, the total marks for assignment number 1 is 25. The gray area has has calculated the marks for you. Okay. And then the similar thing also happened for question number 2, assignment number 2, assignment number 3, and assignment number 4. Okay, so the total number is 100. So here we can see that for cell O number 1, 25% allocated for cell O number 1. And then from the total number of students, 98% of number of students pass, 1% fail. Okay, so yang lain pun sama. So we go to the first sheet. Okay, so in this case, all CLOs got 90 and above passing percentage marks. So the level attained automatically appeared as high, okay, based on this grading. So this column here, the remarks, if you want to justify, if you want to put remarks to justify why you got moderate level or low level or high level, okay, you can just fill in your justification in here. So in my case, I want to justify anything, so just proceed. Okay, so the next section is the feedback of the course instructor. So here you can fill your name, signature, the date, and your feedback. And then after that, this form is ready to be submitted. Okay, you can just print it and put it in your working file. So that's all. Thank you.